Is your car stuck in 2010? You don't need a monthly payment on a Tesla to have a car that feels futuristic. As your savvy tech advisor, I found 5 Amazon gadgets under $30 that will instantly turn your old Beta into a spaceship. First, the Bluetooth Resurrector. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth, stop suffering. Plug this $15 FM transmitter into your lighter socket. Boom. Now you can stream Spotify from your phone to your vintage speakers. It even charges your phone fast. Second, the Alien Slime Cleaner. Look at your air vents. They are gross. This cleaning gel looks radioactive, but it presses into every crack to pull out dust and crumbs that have been there since you bought the car. It is satisfyingly gross to use. Third, the Black Hole Stopper. You know the panic of dropping your phone between the seats? This seat gap filler seals that crack forever. It saves your phone, your french fries, and your sanity. Fourth, the Gravity Defier Mount. Stop putting your phone in the cup holder. Get a strong MagSafe vent mount. It snaps your phone into place instantly, keeping your GPS at eye level where it belongs. And fifth, the Spaceship lights. This is the main event. Stick these LED strips under your dashboard. They plug into USB, sync to your music, and give your interior that premium ambient glow at night. I've linked all 5 upgrades in the description below. Go fix your car.